Good afternoon to all of you. We are here to refer the media release on the tropical disturbance which we are monitoring at the moment. As we know that there's a system that we're monitoring, it's tropical disturbance 11F. Currently it is located around 1,300 to the northwest of us. As you can see from the cursor it's around in here. And the expectation is that over the course of the next 24 to 36 hours it will develop into a tropical cyclone. And the track which it will take over the course of the next hour or so, and looking ahead, is that it will track eventually to move in towards the southeastwards. It will intensify. The anticipation is that it will develop into will go all the way into a Category 3 system with hurricane force winds, and it will eventually track just to the southwest of us. And it's by midday on Tuesday. We're expecting it to lie still to the northwest of us. It's a very slow-moving system, and approximately 1,000 kilometers just due northwest of us. As it is right now, with the latest models and analysis that we're doing, it doesn't pose any direct threat to Fiji. But with the media release statement that we've released, we should be expecting rain and pretty much strong and gusty winds. We're looking into overnight Tuesday, Wednesday, and looking even into Friday. The models, the term that they're using is because of the intensity that it has closer to the eye of the system. The strongest winds, as I've stated, is that it's closer to the eye of the system. That's where we expect the strong winds to be. But for us in Fiji, what we're expecting is that we'll be experiencing heavy rain and the strong and gusty winds as the tropical disturbance draws close by. Our latest analysis, we are expecting it to develop into a tropical cyclone later part tomorrow in the evening, from overnight time from 0600 even into midnight. So we still have a period of around 26 hours for the system to develop into a tropical cyclone. We have a lot of confidence in the models that are giving us, that are helping us to make the prognosis on where things will be. And even if it does move in close by, it will not totally affect us. And at its closest point right now, we're expecting it to be more or less around 500 kilometers due west of us. At the moment right now, over the course of the next 3 days, that will eventually happen further down the line, but the latest analysis that we have, keeping it as a Category 3 system with sustained winds of 70 knots close to the center. We'd like to advise the members of the public to be updated, continually be updated on the weather bulletins that are coming out. We've got special weather bulletins that will be issued once we see, or once the need arises, when it's anticipated to come closer to Fiji. So the general advice is for people to take every precautionary measure with anticipation of the system that will slip just southwest of us, but with the heavy rain and the strong winds which we will be expecting. At the moment we are still keeping it because it's still a long way away. It's still a tropical disturbance, and it will eventually make its way and develop into become a tropical cyclone. We are still keeping out a broad statement for people to be aware, or to be on the alert, or that there is something out there. But as it develops and intensifies further, then we will literally name the places that will be affected for now.